Tired of communication setup headaches? Let's ditch the frustration and get you up and running with Telnyx in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Telnyx.com and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and fill out the necessary information to create your account. Check your email for a verification link and click it to activate. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Telnyx Portal. Now, let's get you a phone number. Click on Numbers in the left-hand navigation menu. This will take you to the number purchasing area. Here, you can choose the country, number type like local or toll-free, and enter your desired area code. Browse the available numbers and select one that suits your needs. Then click Buy. Great. Now it's time to configure your number. You can assign it to a messaging profile for sending and receiving texts, or connect it to a call control application to handle voice calls. Explore the options in the drop-down menus to tailor your number to your specific requirements. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Telnyx account, provisioned a number, and started configuring it for either messaging or voice. Now you are ready to unlock the power of seamless communication with Telnyx.